Hello! Today we're going to be making doggy cupcakes. And I've found that doggy cupcakes are really, really popular. I have gotten some information from magazines, online, and other resources, and I'm going to kind of, by memory, kind of mix and blend them all together and use different medium, and such as candy and fondant, and buttercream and whatnot, and come up with a variety of doggy breeds for cupcakes. To get started, obviously you need cupcakes, but other than that we have marshmallows. We need big ones or small ones, and it just depends on what you want to do and what you have around the house, and what kind of breed of doggy that you're going to be making. So we have mini ones, regular ones. Here I have Starbursts. These make great tongues, so you can raid your kids' Halloween candy and pick out all the pink and the red ones. These here are melting chocolates, little discs. These are caramels for like caramel apples. Skittles, you can use regular Skittles or the tropical fruit ones to pick out the pink or the red in there. And the purple is a little bit dark, so you can even use those for eyes. We have mini M&Ms, regular M&Ms. We have Tootsie Rolls, chocolate chips, and a little miniature chocolate chips. Excuse me. These are, you can use Milk Duds, or these are Junior Mints. And these are Reese's Pieces. So we can use a variety of these for the eyes, the nose, and mouth. And obviously, if you don't have it, you could also use fondant. But sometimes it's just easier just to grab a thing of candy rather than have to make a whole big thing of black fondant. But if you have it on hand, we have that too. In addition to these, we have graham crackers. You can use regular honey graham crackers or the chocolate ones. I have those today. Mine are broken, but I have some more. And to cut these is going to help keep ears standing up is a little cutting board, big cutting board, doesn't matter, and a nice knife. Other than that, we go to our regular cake decorating supplies, your spatulas and your bags of colors and stuff, and we can go over that a little bit too. And then a few cutters, heart cutter, oval cutters of medium and small, and this is a leaf cutter, and I'm going to use some of those later, and you can see how I use those. And so let's get started. For this doggy cupcake, we're going to be making a sheepdog, and the way we need to do that, we're going to make him a variegated color, 2 colors. He's gray and light gray and kind of white. So what I'm going to do is use a dark color gray and a white versus a light gray, because when you mix the 2 colors, they make a light gray. If you did a shade lighter or 2 than this, it really won't show up. So it's better to use more contrasting colors. And the way you do that is you just take a bag, it doesn't really matter what color you want, but what we're going to do is we're going to make stripes in the bag. Let me just use my knife to kind of show you. Just kind of take your bag and pull up on one side of the bag, then the other color you're going to do the opposite side. You can see in there. And the same thing with the other. I usually like to do the lighter color second. You can kind of put more in there and fill in the spaces, or other way around if that's what you want. Just kind of squeeze it out till you start seeing another color, as you kind of see the white coming through a little bit. That's all you need. You don't need to actually wait and have it any more than that. Okay, so let's go over here and start decorating our cupcake.